We're going to talk about the legal side of real estate now, and Kurt Franke is here. Kurt, a couple of weeks ago you talked about the escrow process. Not easy to say, escrow process. Tell us a little bit more about what happens once a home is actually in escrow.
Yeah, Dave, last show we discussed what an escrow was, and this time I thought we'd talk about what happens once you're inside the escrow process. And essentially, the escrow acts like a catch basin for a bunch of documents and things that need to be filed between the parties prior to what's called the closing date, and that's the date the sale actually takes place. So from the buyer's side, he might want assurances regarding house inspections or pest inspections. From the seller side, he's going to want to know the buyer has his loan or her loan.
Mm-hmm. And this is a very legal process. It's why Kurt is talking about it. One of his specialties is knowing about real estate law and helping people through the process.
That's right. There's in an escrow, there's a lot of things that can trip people up, and there's a lot of possibility of the parties not agreeing on certain things. So sometimes it makes sense just to call an attorney and find out what your rights are in that respect.
Good. And I think it's a good idea to call an attorney, specifically Kurt Franke, if you have questions regarding any part of the real estate process or a variety of other areas. Tell them, if you would, quickly, the other areas that you get involved in, Kurt.
Well, in my office, we do business law, which includes real estate to us, and personal injury law.
Good. And how do they get a hold of you?
The phone number is 827-6100, and the website is lokaf.com.
lokaf.com. Look them up. Good man to do business with. Always nice to have you here.
Always nice to be here.
Okay.